Hi everyone, Miss Pam is here. Hey, on these beautiful windy days, it would sure look cool to have some wind catchers in the trees so you can watch them blow. And I have the perfect way to make a quick wind catcher for you. It will look something like this, and you put a paper clip, tie a string to it, and you can watch it blow in the wind. Wind catcher, sun catcher, real pretty. All you need is, of course, a paper clip for the end. Plastic cup, as long as it's plastic, disposable. The clearer it is, the clearer the plastic will be when it melts. And some Sharpie markers. Now, what you do is you color your plastic cup. You could color it from the inside too if you want the back to be brighter. I just color the outside. And you have to color it real good. Well, not real good. You can scrabble. But you color your whole cup. I pre-did one. And your bottom. Don't forget the bottom. And then take a hole puncher. Punch a hole in it before we go to the stove. This does require the stove. So you have to have mom or dad help you. And now we'll go to the stove. Your stove is set on 325. But it only takes like a minute. We're going to watch it together. So, I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn you around. No, I'm not. Okay, I'm going to show you. So you put your cup on a piece of foil on a cookie sheet. We're going to open the oven and we're going to watch. Open up the oven, put it in. Hope you've seen it. And we're just gonna sit right here. Hopefully you can see that. I'm gonna watch the cup melt. And when the cup melts, we take it out. Hopefully you can see it. Only takes a minute or two. Hang in there. Here it starts. There it goes. It's melting. When it's all the way down, you pop it out. Give it all the way down. Hold on. Don't lose me. All the way. And you'll know when it's all the way because it'll look flat. And then, open it up. Take it out. You can flatten it just a little bit with your pot holder. It's a little warm, but we have a sun catcher. Quick, easy project for a nice windy day. Hope you enjoy.